Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another daily video here at our shop, 88 Rotors. Today's video is going to be on a couple of different Toyota Tundras. We might throw in a Tacoma and a 4Runner, just a few short clips, but mainly it's about these two different Tundras. We're starting off with this cement gray Tundra SR5 right here. This one's getting a King's package, Icon tubular uniball upper control arms, with some new wheels and 35-inch tires. And in order for us to clear the 35s, you've guessed it, we're doing our body mount chop and fender liner modification to clear them. '88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to call us at 626-442-3150 or send us an email anytime over to sales@88rotors.com. We're going to be achieving a 2-inch lift in the rear with some lift shackles, as you can see that we are installing here. First, we have to drop the rear spare tire to install the new shackles. The front end suspension is pretty much complete. The new King's 2.5 remote reservoirs are installed and mounted up, along with the Icon tubular uniball upper control arms. Front Kings are adjusted to about 3 inches of lift height. Here you can see the rear Kings installed and reservoirs mounted up as well. Now that the suspension components have been installed, our BMC tech comes in to chop it up. The body mount chop gives us about an extra 1.5 inches of tire clearance in the front. If you guys are unfamiliar with the body mount chop process, feel free to check our description below. We have 2 links in there with videos of our BMC process and the details of it. Here's a quick peek underneath the truck so you can see the rear lift shackles installed already. If you guys have a Tundra and would like to get some work like this done to yours, feel free to give us a call anytime for quotes or to set up an appointment to get it in to get some work done. Safety and quality control is our #1 priority here at 88 Rotors. No job is ever rushed here. Next up, we have this black 2019 Toyota 4Runner. This one's getting our 3-inch front strut spacer and a 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. For the wheels, we're going with the 18x9 Method MR312s in a bronze finish. We're also installing a set of 35 12.5 18 Toyo Open Country RT tires, and of course, you've guessed it again, our body mount shop to clear it. Here's the 4Runner in for a body mount chop from us as well. Are you guys already following us on Instagram? If you haven't, make sure you check us out at 88 Rotors Offroad. And here we are continuing to chop it up. Here's another body mount chop and custom pinch weld work done on a 3rd gen Tacoma. Are you guys into cars? We'll be posting a video of this Q60 that we're adding an airlift system on. We'll be doing that with some new 20-inch wheels and tires. Last but not least, here's a white Tundra that we're doing a 3-inch front strut spacer on with a 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. We're also doing our body mount chop once again. To clear 35s on this one, we installed a set of field vectors 18x9 with a 20 offset in matte black, and we wrapped them up in a 35 12.5 18 Toyo Open Country RT. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's Tundra video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for stopping on by. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. And until then, take care guys.